Thank you so much for attending our virtual open house for Salt River Elementary School. Our videos are still accessible on the website at saltriverschools.org. We want to thank everybody that participated in our virtual open house scavenger hunt. We had words from our videos and you had to unscramble them with your family to make a phrase that made sense. And these are the words that you started with. Reach the 4 stars always. That doesn't make sense. So we wanted to scramble those, and we're gonna start with, well, I'm gonna use my brain that has a capital letter, and I'm gonna start always reach, that makes sense, for the stars. For those families that were able to unscramble and turn in their phrase to us, we have some fabulous prizes from the community. We have the Home Depot at Talking Stick, who has given us wonderful prizes that you might be winning today. Fry's Foods has given us bags that help you carry your things. We have Salt River Schools shirts for you to wear and show your pride for our school and the community. And from Valley Lavash Baking Company, we have our Lavash Star Crackers that we were able to hand out to classes. So we want to thank everybody for your donations. It means so much when we can partner with you in the community. So we have people to choose names. We're going to choose winners at this time. Maybe it's going to be you. Okay, our first winner is Nevaeh Martinez family from Miss Bark in 4th grade. You just won a prize. Kylie and Tylesia Romero, one in Miss Hunsaker and one in Miss Bark. You just won a prize. Amari White family in Miss Hunsaker's class. Miss Hunsaker's class was busy watching those videos. Faliata Olimedo from Miss Crowder's 4th grade. You just won a prize. Ayani and Abiel Catan from Miss Enriquez and Miss Calvin's class. Woo! Few more prizes. May Lewis, you just won a prize from Miss Carlos's class. Oh, the entire McGillberry family worked together. Lindsay, thank you so much for helping Olivia and Adrian in face and 6th grade. Guess what? Your family won a prize. Cameron Correa, your mom, all you guys helped Spencer's class. You guys get a prize. And we have Rowan, Lila Ann, and Remy Waters from Face and 3rd grade Miss Klein's class. You're gonna get a prize. Madison Shelby from Miss Spencer's 5th grade class. Woo! Cadence Williams from Miss Enrique's 2nd grade class. You get a prize. Jameson Manning from Face Home Base. Woo! That's awesome that you participated. And our last winner of our open house drawing, our student of the month from last month, Rosella Vest from 6th grade, Miss Yellow Hair. We are so proud of you guys. Thank you so much for participating. Don't forget, you can still go watch our videos, saltriverschools.org. And welcome to the 21-22 school year. We're so happy to have you.